Hello. I realised yesterday if you watched the video after I unboxed the Hedson Smart Cure, that I haven't actually unboxed or shown you what you get with the Scangrip UV Gun. And I thought I couldn't believe I'd done that. I sort of got straight into just using the actual lamp itself and testing it out and forgot the beginning. So here we go. I'm going to give you a quick little video on what comes with the Scangrip UV Gun. So this is the Scangrip. It comes in a nylon satchel, which is foam lined, so it'll add and it's a very thick foam, so it protects your lamp. You get the lamp unit itself with the battery attached, which you just use that button to remove. Now, I've just remembered, having taken out the bag again, why I didn't do an unboxing of this unit. I didn't do that because this is actually not the finished product. This is, believe it or not, a 3D printed sort of demo lamp. So it's got a lot of the main features missing, like the LED screen here to tell you the charge, and which has a couple of other features. So I'm waiting for it to come in so I can actually share that information with you. That's why I didn't do the unboxing, like I said. So in the kit, you get the lamp, you get a really nice satchel to carry it in. It's got sort of multi-pockets around the place, and you get the charging unit itself, which tucks away nicely in that pocket. So that's the lamp. You can see it's already, just pull it back out, already been logoed up with the hashtag UV gang. The reason for that is I feel it should be accepted into the gang because it does work. So it's definitely an option for those of you out there. More to come on this later.